Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How's your day, guys? Today we're gonna film a 1954. So, alright, I need to. Oh yeah, I'm gonna start now. 1954, 1952 with a train horn. Honky horn, scared the crap out of me. This is why I like Ford, but also hate Ford. They're sneaky as crap. But I'll keep my gums clear of my teeth. Yeah, of course, it scares the crap out of me. Right when I zoom in, too. And you're only under the toe bed, too. Holy crap, it's that. Talking to that horn. He's probably gonna honk again and make me jump. Yeah, is he? Yep. Nope. He's gonna make him too. Hey, still honk horn out of the people. That got ain't got dick work on it. Ain't got dick work. But it scared the crap out of me though. And now dick work. Cool. Two dick work in one.